Welcome to KayeWright.com, where we talk fashion, lifestyle, and beauty for grown women. Today I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways you can style mom jeans in a white tee and make it look amazing. In one of my Snapchat stories, I think, or maybe it was one of my prior videos, I talked about the fact that I was looking for a pair of jeans that fit a particular way. I was having trouble finding them, and I felt like it was because the jeans that I wanted were only made for women who were straight up and down and were 95 pounds. And I found a pair that was similar, was really close to what I was looking for. I wore them in one of the pictures that I took for Instagram that I posted last week. I also wore them in the last video where I talked about wearing pretty slides as a 2018 spring trend. Those were really close to what I wanted, but they were not exactly what I wanted. I am happy to tell you today that I was dead wrong. I found the jeans. They fit perfectly, and the jeans pretty much are mom jeans. That's how they're being marketed. A lot of people call them mom jeans because they are high-waisted and they kind of have an old school type of fit to them. And I know here on KayeWright.com, this is a channel for grown women, and I know when I say mom jeans that it sounds like old lady, and that is not what we're doing here. Not old lady, okay? Mom jeans can be real cute. I'm going to show you today how to style mom jeans 3 different ways with a white tee. I'm also going to give you a bonus date night look at the end, and I'm going to tell you when you walk away from this video, you will want you a pair of these mom jeans. Okay, the first look I'm going to talk you through here is the casual look. This look is the easy throw on and go look. When you don't have a lot of time, but you want to look put together, this is what you do. Pair your mom jeans with nice earrings, a trendy bag, and some slides, or any other type of flats that you want. The idea behind this pairing is comfort while still looking pulled together. The second look I'm going to talk you guys through is called pulled together. That's what I call it. So with this, you're going to still go back to your mom jeans. You want to add structure so that this doesn't look so casual. In order to do that, you want to put either a blazer with it or any other type of structured outerwear that you choose. So with this one, instead of flats or slides, what you're going to do is you're going to go middle of the road. So you're going to put on a nice pair of wedges, or you can put on a nice pair of block heels. You don't want to go extreme as far as dressiness looks, but you also definitely don't want to be doing the casual look. There are a lot of different variables in this kind of middle of the ground pulled together look. You can pair the jeans also with some strappy heels, get the same type of feel as long as you have a structured top. You can add a bag, you can add a pop of color, you can play with textures, you can play with accessories. The key here is to make sure that you add structured pieces to the jeans so that you're saying, I'm not trying to be casual, but I'm not trying to go to a business meeting either. Okay, so when you're ready to crank it all the way up, if you want to do a date night look with these jeans, this is what you do. You're going to go for a trendy top and some trendy shoes. Or you can go for a trendy top or a pair of trendy shoes. You don't have to do both if you don't want to or if you're not comfortable with that. But the key here is to add a little bit of sassiness, jazziness to your jeans so that they don't look like typical, PTA mom jeans. To keep from overdoing it though, with the trendiness, you want to keep your makeup and your jewelry simple and classy. And if you want to play with seasons, switching this between spring and summer, or even taking it into fall, winter, what you're going to do is add a pop of color. You can do that with your bag or your shoes or both. For instance, if you were going to pair this with boots, you could put it with a pair of oxblood colored boots. So that's going to bring the trendiness in, and it's also going to give you a little bit of a pop of color so that it's seasonal. To see more styled looks and to see these particular looks styled, you can follow me on my Instagram. It will pop up on the screen for you guys. I will also link it down below in the description box. Also, before you leave, take this poll and tell me which of these looks that you saw today you would be more likely to wear. Would you be casual, middle of the road, or amping it all the way up to date night look? If you liked this video, you will probably also enjoy my 2018 spring trends video. I will put a card that'll pop out here for you. You can just click, go on over and check that out. I'll also leave it linked down below in the description box. For more videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle for grown women, subscribe before you leave and get videos just like this one every week. Until next time, y'all, bye.